Mihang'o ya uthuthuria wa miiri kuuma mutitu-ini wa Shakahola no itwarithitio na mbere riria Ikereka ria gatatu riria ritanyituo kurikirira muthi wa ruciu mbere ya mihang'o ya guthikuria miiri makiria mutitu-ini uyu icokereirie. Akirekereria ndumiriri no nyumba-ini ya kuiga miiri ya Malindi, muthurimi wa thirikari Johansen Odur augite umuthi matabanitio uthuthuria hari miiri 22 mugwanja ari andu agima 12 ari ciana na eri matikurikanite kuona miiri ni irabuthite makiria.
As per gender, we found that females made a total of 22 while males were 8, and 2 of them we were unable to establish the gender due to the decomposition. Most of them were starvation, because we found that 14 of them were starvation, while 8 were unascertained because of the decomposition.
Oduora ugite nyumba-ini ya kuiga miiri ya Malindi kuri na miiri kenda iria yeteire gutabanio uthuthuria muthi wa ruciu na yongererekete thutha wa murumiri umwe gukua riceceni-ini ya borithi.
Initially we had said that 94 bodies had been exhumed, but now as for my calculation today they are 96. Why are they 96? Because as we were doing postmortem we found that 2 bodies had been wrapped in the same sheet. So this made them 95. Then 1 person died in prison. So that's what made them now a total of 96.
Oduoro ongereire ati aingi makwite kumana na ng'aragu indi amwe kihumo gia gikuo gitikuranitwo kumana na uria miiri irabuthite makiria.
So far we've performed a total of 87 postmortem in this phase. We are remaining with 9 postmortems, which we are going to complete tomorrow. After finishing, we are going to the field to see if we can get other bodies for exhumation. Then we continue with the process again.
Ikereka-ini riri ria gatatu miiri 87 niyo itabanirio uthuthuria o riri ingi kenda ikarikira muthi wa ruciu niguo gucokeria mihang'o ya gwethana na miiri makiria mutitu-ini uyu wa Shakahola. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Wainaina wa Kiarie.